Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to your robotics class. Today we learn how to make circuit diagrams with the use of Tinkercad and how to use the Tinkercad. Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all fine today at your home and enjoy your online classes and YouTube contents. So, we have to create a new project on Tinkercad how to use mini screen LCD in robotics. Fine. So, let me start. Just go to create, go to circuits, it's loading. Yeah, it's open now. Change the name of the topic LCD user. So, what happened? It's not changed. Why? Again, we have to load this page because due to network connection, it's very slow processing, right? So I hope you understand it. Change the name LCD user. Okay, it's not changed. It's changed. Take breadboard and one side Arduino. One side breadboard and one side Arduino. And search the LCD. This LCD 16 into 2 inch. Place it on the breadboard. Fine. So, with the help of wire, any color wire you can use, with the help of wire, we connect the LCD. First thing notice, please make sure your LCD will totally connect to your breadboard. See, if I can't connect, see these holes, it's not properly connect. So these holes are properly connect. Now it's properly connect, right? Now it's properly connect to breadboard. So take a wire and connect with number 2 pin of Arduino. This, yeah, DB7. Okay, fine. Now connect number 3 to DB6. Connect number 4 to DB5. Connect number 5 to DB4. Fine. Here is the value. Okay. So connect Arduino pin number 11 to E of LCD. this E. Fine. Now connect Arduino pin number 12 to R5. Yeah, R5 here. Fine. Okay. Now connect negative terminal of Arduino to ground. Yeah. Connect negative terminal of Arduino to contrast V0. Fine. Connect negative terminal to Arduino RW. We did right. Okay. Connect Arduino ground to negative terminal. This is Arduino ground. And here is negative terminal. Okay. Connect 5 volt of Arduino to positive terminal. Connect 5 volt of Arduino to positive terminal. Okay. Now connect positive terminal of breadboard to VCC. Yeah. And there is one more connection. Connect positive terminal of breadboard to this LED. Hope it is clear. Now take one resistor. This is the last and change the value 220 ohm. Yeah, red, brown color. Fine. So connect with this LED cathode part. Okay. I hope it is clear to you everyone. Now the circuit is complete. We have to write the code. Go to blocks, text, continue. Just copy the code, and here is the code. You can also copy it, and we just change it. VBB students, right? So click on code and start simulation. Let's see what it's working or not. Yeah, here is it's working. Subscribe VBB students. I hope it's clear to you. And we just take the screenshot of the code and just write code as it is, not too different. Okay. So here, this is the project of you. I hope it's clear to you, everyone. If you have any queries, please come in the class and we will solve it together. Okay. So, goodbye. Have a nice